Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to create a website QR bar code in DuckDuckGo. So open any web browser, then click on this three dot, then settings. Now click on search engine. In here select DuckDuckGo. Now open new tab. Now paste your website URL. Then here type QR and space, then search. So guys, here you will see a QR code for your website. Right click on it and save and download and share this QR code anywhere where you mind, where you want. So this is an easy and very quick way to create a QR code for your website using DuckDuckGo browser. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.